Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 9 chapter 3 coordinate geometry exercise 3.3 question 1. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of these points are given to us, they lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So these points I have written down here. So we have to verify on the Cartesian plane where they are lying, which a part of, the Cartesian plane has the 4 parts of quadrant. We know the x-axis, y-axis divides the Cartesian plane into 4 parts: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So we have to verify these points where they lie on the Cartesian plane, mean to say which quadrant it lies, these points. So let's verify. First we have to draw the graph. So you will take one graph paper and then you have to draw x-axis and y-axis. So let's draw on this dark lines only. You have to draw the line. So okay, so this is our y-axis. This is our y-axis, and then x-axis, so this is our x-axis. You can draw up to here also. So this is our x-axis. So we have the y-axis and x-axis. So this is the origin, means 0. For x also starts from 0. For y also starts from 0. So towards the right direction, we take this, all called like 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay, we take the unit as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And towards this direction, it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And towards the up, positive it is. So 1 should be equal distance. Okay, if this is 0, from here to 1, from here to -1, from here to 1, from here to -1 should be equal distance. Always all the points should be equal distance. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. And same way this will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, so now let's let's find out where are these points are lying. So the first point, -2 and 4. I always said first is x-axis, then y-axis you have to see. So -2 you will see on x, 4 you will find on y. So -2 on x and 4 on y. So let's see, -2 on x, x is minus, comes in this direction. So -2 is here, and on y direction it is 4. So -2 on x here, and for y it is 4. So 4 is here. So let's draw the line so that we know where it is pointed. So -2 is here. So let's draw the line. Then we know where it is meeting. And then for y it is 4. So from 4 you draw the line. So it is meeting at this point. This is -2 and 4. So this is which quadrant? We know the quadrant, right? So start from here. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. So the first point lies on which quadrant? That is on second quadrant. So you will write down here. This is on second quadrant. So next, 3 and -1. X value is 3, y value is minus 1. So on x we have to see 3 and on y we have to see minus 1. So 3 minus 1. So on x3, on x it is 3 is here, and on y it is minus 1, right? 3 and minus 1. So 3 is here, minus 1 is here. So let's draw the line. 3, from 3 we draw the line, and minus 1 we draw the line. So it is meeting at this point, 3 and minus 1. So this is which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So this is on fourth quadrant. So now next, minus 1 and 0. So x is minus 1, y is 0. So minus 1 and 0. So minus 1 on x minus 1 is here, and 0 for y direction, 0 is here only, because this point is minus 1 for x, but for y it is 0 and point lies here. So this is which quadrant it will be? Because see, this is on x-axis. From here it is moved minus 1. So if it goes top or down, then it becomes y-axis. But 0 for y-axis, for top or bottom, starts origin is here only for y. So that's why point will be here only, minus 1 and 0. So this lies on which quadrant? So if you see, this point is exactly on the line of x-axis, on the negative x-axis, right? So neither falls in on this quadrant, neither falls in this quadrant, neither on second quadrant, nor it is on third quadrant. It is not falling here also, here also. It is on the line only, this point is there. And this line is what actually? It is actually a x-axis. And x-axis is what? This direction is negative direction. So that means negative x-axis, or you can say also x-axis. So our answer for this will be, this point lies on x negative axis. So next, 1 and 2. On x we have to see 1, on y we have to see 2. So 1 and 2. So 1 for x is here, for 1 it is here, and for 2 it is here. 2 is here, right? So when we draw the line from 1, so from 1 we draw the line, and for y it is 2. So from 2 we draw the line, and it is meeting at this point, and this point is 1 and 2. So where it is lying? It is lying on the first quadrant. So it is on first quadrant. And then minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3 and minus 5. So minus 3 on x it is here, and minus 5 on y it is, minus is down direction, minus is here. So let's draw the line. So minus 3, we draw the line, and minus 5 is here, and it is meeting at this point, minus 3 and minus 5. This is which quadrant? This is third quadrant. Third quadrant. So now, without even, it is said that you have to locate on the Cartesian plane. Without locating also we can make out, because first is always x value. So x is a negative side and y is positive side. So we know on x-axis that right direction is positive, this is negative, and for y, top it is positive, down it is negative. So that means minus 2 and 4 will come. X is this direction negative and 4 is positive this direction. So it will fall on the second quadrant. So this also, this is positive, this is negative. So on x-axis positive is to the right direction, and for y it is down direction. So that will be, it will be on fourth quadrant. There it comes for x plus, and for y it is minus. So those of you are, you can imagine the whole axis. You will know this is positive direction and this is negative direction. So for x it will be positive, for y it will be positive. Sorry, this is for positive for x and this is positive for y. So both will be x and x. And here for negative it is, for x it is negative and for y it is positive. And for here x also is negative, y also is negative. This will be minus and minus sign. And this is for x positive and for y it is negative. So it will be plus and minus. So if you remember this also, you can know which quadrant it will fall. That's it. Thank you. God bless.